bother me, but it bothers me. I'll have to put in the title of this. I already had a picture picked out that I made for this about being Goodwill blue box. I'll have to put satanic jewelry from. Yeah, I'll have to put that. You guys will be like, what? We gotta watch this. Is this a marijuana leaf? I've never smoked it, so I don't know. Oh, look. And it's got... Oh, it's evil. It's evil. What is... Who made it? I don't care who made it. It's evil. Raw steel? I don't care. It's going in the trash. At this point, I don't like that kind of stuff. I don't like it, and I don't want it in my house. Here's a bling, bling, bling. Look at that. It's like a... Reminds you of a tiara if you put it this way. Or a crown. So the rhinestones are in there, so I could take this and harvest the rhinestones if I needed some. Oh, it's got a hang tag on it. Is it like Claire's or something? Let's see what it says, shall we? Okay, focus in. Oh, I can't do it. I have to do it like this. So I can't, like, hide the background. Dominique? Don't know who Dominique is. It's pretty. On first inspection, it looks like it has all the rhinestones in it. This jewelry is very dirty, but I didn't expect anything less. Sorry, you're fuzzy. This is just a plastic beaded short necklace. Really cheap beads. They've got seam down. Got it the wrong way. Don't hate me because I throw stuff away. Oh, cord things. That's an interesting butterfly, isn't it? That's pretty. I don't like the cord it's on. I'll take that off there and sell it as a pendant. I sell my pendants in a lot. So we'll put that over there. We'll keep that. Jingle bell thing. Get rid of that. Looks like some wooden beads. Pretty swirly. Oh, these are just a lot of hoop earrings and little earrings. This has got some good beads on it that I would take off. So I would keep that. That's just a beaded earring. Also would sell for the beads. Okay, this necklace is on multiple cords. It's got some seashells on it and some beads. That would be something that could be taken apart. What is this? This is interesting because I don't know what this is. It is interesting. Oh, it is a necklace. Okay. I thought it was earrings or something. That's on a cord. I'm trying to figure out how you do it. You go like that. And then the cord's wrapped around them. They just stuck that cord on there though. It's a really weird feeling cord. It's a serpentine cord. And then like that. Where's my magnet? It's not magnetic. Ooh, wire. I hate the wire ones. But those are nice beads. Those are glass beads. That needs to be taken apart. Those are pretty glass beads. Okay. Looks like we got some seed beads. I don't know. I don't like that. Oh, here is a ring with a cross on it. Oh, really long cross. I guess it's a men's ring. It's pretty big. The cross on the inside. It almost looks like a wedding ring. Yeah, that's an 11. So I went with that. Oh. Throw that away, throw that away. Oh, they're earrings. I like those. I would wear those. I like that kind of back on the earring. Ew, I don't need the hair. I like those earrings. These are alright for I don't like these. Ooh, look at this ring. But it's, sorry, get out of focus. It's a adjustable ring. Wow. Oh, this is a clip-on ring. Pretty color. Oh, there's the other clip-on. That's one of those things you stick in your tongue or your belly, and I don't want to know about it. I just touched it. I'm going to have to wash my hands like I was anyway. This is a hammered brutalist looking silver tone, I assume. Oh, it's got some. No, it don't. Yeah, it does. No, it don't. Can't make up my mind what my eyes are seeing. I thought I had something written in it. It doesn't. Doesn't look very big. Not metallic though. I'm gonna love to test it. About a 7 3/4. Cool. You guys, anybody likes bangle bracelets? I would sell you all these like for $2. That's an interesting one. It's like raised up. I would wear them, but I can't get them on my wrist. I get them on my hand. Yep. Metallic. Metallic? No, not metallic. Yeah, I guess that's right. It looks like mother of pearl, maybe. That's an earring. That's pretty. Magnetic. That's what I'm trying to think. Don't want it. Ooh, that's interesting. Let's see if we'll find the rest of that one. Little earring. Almost looks sterling. Don't want that one. Wait a minute. We're going to check see if I don't want that one. I don't want any of this. Alright, let's get some more stuff out. Let's do this one. This was interesting. I knew it wasn't shell when I saw it. Maybe I didn't see it in the picture. I don't know. I think it's just glass. I don't think that's a real shell. I think that's glass. That's neat. Let's see what this is. Oh look, I think it would be complete without a screw because, you know, that's what I think when I think of jewelry. Don't give me a coupon and give me a bunch of stuff, satanic jewelry. Oh, it is. That's the why everything's sticking to that. It's got a magnet right there, making it stick to itself. I don't even like it. I guess it's kind of neat. A little clean up. There you go. No. Ooh, I like this. See if we'll find the match to that. Piece of chain. No. Alright. Focus, focus, focus. We're getting a lot of little bitty things at the bottom. Ooh, another one of them. Hey, we have 2 of them. Don't we? Or did I just... No, yeah, we do have 2. Look. We have 2 of the slime rings. Cool. They're really heavy. Yeah, let's see. Oh, you can't see. This is what we've got out right now. What's this? What is it? It's cloth and very dirty, I know that. I'm not keeping that. Okay, trash. Poop. Trash. Ooh, look. I found a piece of gem. Maybe it's, I think it's just glass. Is that a glass or is that a gem? You guys tell me. Feels like glass to me, but what do I know? I'll save it. Here's a little charm, 4-leaf clover. I need to like point this down because I keep going too far down to show you guys. I have no idea what this is. Heart. I'm not keeping that. I'm not keeping that. They might buy single earrings. That's missing something. Trash. That's cute. It's a little basket charm. I'll keep that. Gets sold with charms. All that moves aside. Got some more stuff. Ooh, this look. Agate? Is this agate? Sliced geostone? Tell me what that is, guys. Every time I show somebody this, they always say agate. Every single time. You tell me. It's got some green in it. Here, let me show it where I don't have my hand on the back of it.